8th Standard History, Chapter 11, The Rashtrakutas of Manyaketa and the Chalukyas of Kalyana. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks. First one, the founder of the Rashtrakuta dynasty was dash. Answer is Dantidurga. Second one, the Chalukya king of Kalyana, who was responsible for the defeat of the Rashtrakutas, was dash. Answer is Tailappa II. Third one, the author of Kavirahasya is dash. Answer is Halayudha. Fourth one, the famous poem written by Ponna is dash. Answer is Shanti Purana. Fifth one, the most famous king among the Kalyana Chalukyas was dash. Answer is Vikramaditya VI. Sixth one, the person who can be called the pioneer of the social revolution is dash. Answer is Sri Jagajyoti Basaveshwara. Let's move to second main. Answer the following questions. First one, how was the administrative system of the Rashtrakutas? The kingship among the Rashtrakutas was hereditary. There used to be a council of ministers to assist the king. There would be a prominent person in the council of ministers appointed as the Mahasandhi Vigrahi to look after the foreign affairs. For the purpose of administrative convenience, the kingdom was divided into Rashtra or Mandala, Vishya, Nadu and Grama. The leader of the Grama was called Gramapati or Prabhu Gaunda. He was the leader of the village army too. He was assisted by the village accountant. There were Grama Sabhas also. There used to be an official called Nadagaunda in the Nadus. Similar officials would be there in the Vishyas and Rashtras. The Vishyapati and the Rashtrapati were the officers for the Vishya or the district and the Rashtra respectively. These are all about the administrative system of the Rashtrakutas. Second main, write about the educational system under the Rashtrakutas. Agraharas and matas were the prominent educational centers in those days. Knowledge was imparted about Sanskrit, the Vedas, astrology, logic and the Puranas. Salotagi in Indi Taluk of Bijapur district was one of the leading centers of learning. These are all about the educational system under the Rashtrakutas. Third question, write about the Ellora temple. Answer is the Kailasanath temple at Ellora, built by Krishna first, is a monolithic wonder. This temple has been carved from a rock 100 feet high, 276 feet long, and 154 feet wide. Nearby is the famous Dashavatara cave temple. These are all about the Ellora temple. Question number 4. How did the Kalyana Chalukyas encourage literature? Answer is Kannada literature prospered with the support of Jaina scholars. The notable works of this period are Gadayuddha or Sahasa Bhima Vijaya, written by Ranna, Panchatantra, written by Durga Simha, Vikramanka Deva Charita, composed by Bilhana, Dharmamrita, composed by Nayasena, and the legal work Mitakshara, authored by Vijnaneshwara. Manasollasa, written by King Someshwara III, is considered a Sanskrit encyclopedia. The unique contribution of the Chalukyan period has been the Vachana literature. Akkamadevi, Allamaprabhu, Machaya, and others were leading Vachanakaras. In this way, the Kalyana Chalukyas encouraged literature.